Welcome students. In this video, we are going to learn about an essential topic of object-oriented programming, that is object functions, also called member functions. In C++, a function that belongs to a class is called member function or object function. These functions define the behavior of objects, allowing them to perform specific actions or manipulate their own data. Let's create a member function to display detail of animal objects. So we will use this function to display the details of the objects of this class. So below the constructor, define a method to display the details. So name this display details. And in this function, display all the details, all the attributes of this class as cout name is the values that will be stored for that object in the name attribute. Then display the cout species. Species name. Sorry, the value stored in the species variable. Similarly, display the age of the animal object. So display the age is the data stored in the age variable. This is an example of member function that will display the details of this animal class objects. Then we have no need to display the objects using the manually accessing the each attribute, but we will simply call that member function for any objects to display the details of that object. For example, if I want to I want to display the attributes of animal 1, so I will call that display details methods for the animal 1, and it will display the information of the animal 1 objects. Let's call that function animal 1 dot display details. We can call the member function for any objects of the class. This time I am calling this display details function for animal 1 object, and it will display the details of animal 1. Let's run the program, and you can see it displayed animal 1 data, name is kitty, species cat, age is 2. Similarly, you can call this function for the animal 2 object to display animal 2 details. Animal 2 dot display details, and now this will display the details for the animal 2 object. Let's run the program to check, and you can see it displayed the details for animal 2. Animal 2 data is name is puppy, species dog, age is 3. Keep in mind, once you defined a function in the class that is called the member function, or you can say it the object function, you can call this function after defining for any object of that class. For example, I call the function for the animal 1, and then I call the function for animal 2, and it will work fine. This is how you can create and use object functions in C++ programming. Object functions are the backbone of object behaviors in object oriented programming, so make sure to practice of creating and using them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.